Here we are on the 1B 2-column notes in our year-end review packet. And in this part of Unit 1, we're talking about equivalent ratios and tape diagrams. So how do you make equivalent ratios? You multiply both by the same number. So in this little blank space, I guess off on the left here, if we have a ratio 2 to 3, to make an equivalent one, we would take it and we would multiply them. We can multiply them both by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Make another one. If we take 2 to 3, you can always multiply by 10. Those are always the safe ones, I say, because we know we'll get those right when we multiply. So 20 to 30. The next part, how do you write C times 5? Remember when we talked about this the first time, I said this is not bingo. So even though it says C times 5, it's really going to be 5 times C, or even better, just 5C. And then how do you write C divided by 5? As a fraction, C over 5. And then we've got some solving ratio problems. So use the ratio of cats to dogs is 3 to 2 to explain how to set up the following questions. There are 10 dogs, how many cats? So tape diagram, C for cats, D for dogs, and it's 3 to 2. So I'm going to have 3 boxes on the top, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 on the bottom, 1, 2. Now, there are 10 dogs, so that means my dog boxes equal 10. And there's 2 boxes, so I'm going to divide them by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, so there will be 5 in all of the boxes, right? Once you fill in one box, you fill them all in. Now, for the ratio, again, we'd have cats and dogs. But we're going to make equivalent ratios. We keep the first one the same, right? 3 cats to 2 dogs. We know there's 10 dogs, but we're looking for the number of cats. And this is where we would draw our arrows in. So we always went towards the question mark. How do you get from 2 to 10? Well, 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. So either way, we get the same answer of 15 cats. All right, and in the next one, there are 18 cats. How many dogs? Same setup as up above, so I have C for cats, D for dogs. Cats got 3 boxes. Dogs got 2 boxes. Remember, our boxes are going to line up and touch. Now I have 18 cats, so my cat boxes equal 18 divided by the 3 boxes. So that means 6 would go in each box. And then for the ratio, same thing. I've got cats and dogs. Put in my blank fraction bars. 3 to 2, but now I have 18 cats, so that goes up top. Question mark for the dogs. Arrows go towards the question marks. How do I get from 3 to 18? Well, I multiply by 6. So I'll do the same on the bottom. So either way, you would get 12 dogs. All right, and that's all we have for these 2-column notes.